There is the possibility that football's world governing body, FIFA, could get involved following Sunday's shooting incident during an inter-department football match at the Jamaica Broilers playing field in Spring Village, St. Catherine. Spencer Darlington went into the community on Thursday.
The magnitude of Sunday's incident, which saw 3 persons being killed and 6 wounded, has prompted the Jamaica Football Federation and the St. Catherine Football Association to get the ball rolling with proactive measures in case they are called on by the world governing body to submit a report on what transpired. Football officials, led by JFF President Michael Ricketts and St. Catherine FA President Elaine Walker-Brown, visited affected residents on Thursday to express their commiseration and also to get a better understanding of what actually happened.
We wanted to ensure that we would have had first-hand information, because chances are our parent organizations could very well ask for a report. So we thought from that perspective that it was important that we visit both with the police and the family members. Of course, on the other hand, we want to give some support. They certainly have been part of a big footballing family, and we just thought it was important that in solidarity with the grief-stricken family members.
St. Catherine FA President Elaine Walker-Brown is also making preparations at the local level if FIFA were to get involved.
I've heard that there was an incident before in the parish, and FIFA has made requests to the JFF for a report. We have not heard anything yet, but that was hinted to me, and I said I'm doing what is to be done. There's not much I can say, but the referee is a referee that is a part of an association, and we are answerable to all federation and to the other senior bodies. So we'll do what is necessary to inform them as best we can of what happened.
In the meantime, community members are still trying to recover from the traumatic experience.
I was there from start to finish. I don't know if you see a clip, but you see somebody bend down on the field in a pink tight suit, crying, bawling out. That was me. I will never go back to a football match, never. And not even football match. My daughter plays netball for them, and I don't even think I would like to go to a next match to see her perform.
The police, who were also represented on Thursday, are assuring the residents that they will remain proactive in their approach.
It was on a private premises, although it was football being played. However, I had made discussion with all persons doing such things to communicate with us via letter or stop by my office and speak with us. But we're on top of things that relate to policing these events or football matches in this subdivision.
JFF President Michael Ricketts also announced that the local governing body will cover the tuition and other school-related fees for the son of one of Sunday's victims. The 15-year-old student attends a high school in the parish. Meanwhile, Spring Village FC is currently banned from conducting pre-season activities at the venue following the recent physical assault of an assistant referee during an under-17 encounter. This is the venue where a most scary and frightening incident happened last weekend, and many of the residents here are hoping that they'll be recovered emotionally and psychologically to make a return to this venue if and when football is returned here. Reporting from Spring Village in St. Catherine, I'm Spencer Darlington for TVJ Sports.